Water is an important part of any civic infrastructure. Residential and commercial developments, agriculture, golf courses, water treatment, and more require a reliable and efficient pumping system to operate and flourish. However, just like worn-out highway bridges and other major civic infrastructure, over time pump systems begin to wear out, break down, and fall far short of the efficiency modern technology and solid water management can provide. When that happens, there are two choices: a very expensive replacement of the entire pump station, or you can retrofit a new pump system utilizing the current building, existing irrigation lines, and electrical connections, etc. At PPS, existing system retrofits, upgrades, and expansions are our specialty. Today, we are going to show you a recent PPS pump system retrofit upgrade project utilizing existing building and mainline connections. This new pump system was designed for Hillcrest Country Club located in Boise, Idaho, and customized to fit the existing space, connect to the existing irrigation lines, and dramatically improve their overall operation and irrigation efficiency. Hillcrest Country Club sponsors the annual Boise Open Tournament and is recognized nationwide as one of the top golf destinations in the Northwest. The first step in this process is removing the worn-out pump system. In this case, the system consisted of two 60-horsepower main vertical line shaft turbine pumps and one 30-horsepower jockey pump. Since it was too large to fit through the building entrance or rooftop service hatches, it had to be cut apart and hoisted through the roof hatches one piece and pump at a time. Once the old system was completely removed, the site had to be cleaned and prepared for the installation of the new system. This includes removing any rust and debris from the pump skid platform, pressure washing the skid, and applying 2 coats of industrial enamel coating. With the site now prepared for the new system installation, each section of the new pump system was carefully hoisted and dropped through the rooftop hatches and then set into the exact place necessary for the existing irrigation line and control panel connections. Once secured into place in the existing building, the PPS install technicians go to work. This process includes upgrading specific components in the existing control panel to accommodate a third 60-horsepower main pump, the installation of all new powder-coated pump manifold and piping, and all new check valves and isolation valves. At this time, a new flow meter and water conditioning manifold were also installed on the pumping system. With the new pump system installed and all necessary connections completed, the system is then professionally started and thoroughly tested throughout to be sure it meets the exact specifications and requirements as defined in the project plans. The new station is then ran for a test period in order to identify any potential issues that require additional attention. Once this entire professional installation is completed, the system is certified and fully covered by the PPS industry-leading warranties. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about the many system upgrades and retrofit options we offer at PPS. For more information on this or any of our other products or services, contact Precision Pumping Systems. Turning water into communities, one pump station at a time.